I spent air heavy in the opening run. Long phrases early, feeling dumb. Breathing rich at the start of the map. Didn't plan for the sprint at the back. I flex control, extended lines. Luxury breaths, wasting time. Sound clean now, confidence high. Didn't budget for what's coming by. Midway check, lungs already taxed. Still got bars, I ain't even rap. I short inhales, stretch exhales. Math don't work, but I push detail. Every syllable now costs more. Interest on there, I can't afford. I feel the error, but I don't abort. I keep talking through the auto report.
Spent too much too early. Now you got my voice still sturdy. If it choked, that's the journey. Breath allocation, faulty. Breath allocation, all faulty.
Late stage verse, survival mode. Cut, vowels compress the code. I speak faster just to finish. Irony cruel but efficient. Chest tight, timing thin. Still refuse to drop a sentence. I don't stop to renegotiate. I ride the error to its final bars. Oxygen zero, still one idea I won't forego. I took it raw, then silence hit. Bent forward, lungs recalibrate. If the ending sounded desperate, that's the flaw made audible. Design failed, but verse survived. Breath allocation never lost.
If it ended out of breath, that's the price of miscalculated steps. No refund on air you spent.
Breath allocation,
Set.
faulty. Faulty.
Whole seconds folded into one beat. Moments stacked till they can't breathe. I don't skip time, I crush it flat. Too much now in a single fact. You hear cracks in the continuity, like frames missing in reality. This not glitch, it's density. Tongue compressed beyond fidelity.
I squeeze minutes into measures. Artifacts leak through the pressure. Echo sound chip, words feel torn like audio stretch till it deforms. You swear something got cut away. Nah, it's all here, just overlaid. I speak too much for the timeline, so time fraction in the rhyme.
Hear it break, hear it smear. Too much now, packed in here. If it break, hear it feel. Temporal compression, text in here. If it break, hear it smear. Too much now, packed in here. If it crack, don't interfere. Temporal compression, not severe.
I overlap cause and effect. Set it in for the start connect. Past and future share one bar. Present over those lonely scars. This flow don't move linear. Cleft the calendar. If you feel lost in the order, that's time for the under the border.
Final bars feel shorter than they should. Whole ideas blinked out, misunderstood. Tracking feels sudden abrupt, like the clock just gave up. If you sense I'm missing, that's compression doing the twisting. Nothing lost, just rearranged. Temporal compression, out of the fact, ingrained, yeah. If time bent in your ear, that pressure wasn't fear. Too much moment forced to appear. Temporal compression, clear. Clear. Temporal compression, clear. Clear. Temporal compression, clear.
I start with sense, then I jerk the wheel, meaning straight, then I spin for real. One idea, then another snap, neck break, turn in a single bar. You catch the premise, I flip the frame. Same word, different aim. Thoughts accelerate, no signal light. Summit to turn, hit you mid-blink.
A big coherence, then I swerve. Context drop like a missing curve. You brace for logic, I oversteer. Now the meaning lands somewhere weird. I don't build slow, I yank it fast. From point A to abstract. If your brain like half a sec, that's the snap, semantic neck.
Hold on tight, don't relax. Sense just did a hard right crack. If it hurt, that's the impact. Semantic whiplash snap. Hold on tight, don't relax. Sense just did a hard right crack. If it hurt, that's the impact. Semantic whiplash snap.
I weaponize implication speed, say one thing, mean three. But for you like the metaphor, I already changed the door. This ain't clever, this is force. I taught the sense till it divorced. Meaning arrived and immediately gone. You still nodded to the previous one.
Final bars, last drop swerve. I end on something you didn't expect. No gradual fade, no easing now. Just stop with your head still turned around. If you feel stiff after the track, that's cognition paying tax. I didn't confuse, I attack. Semantic whiplash intact. If your mind's still catching up, that snap was on purpose. Up no warning sign, no heads up. Semantic whiplash buckled up. If your mind's still catching up, that snap was on purpose. Yeah, no warning sign, no heads up. Semantic whiplash buckled up. Buckled up. Semantic whiplash buckled up. Buckled up. Buckled up.
No heel tick, no region bar. Damage stacked from the very start. Every line chip away endurance. I don't wait for breath insurance. I take hits while I'm dishing out. Trace them enough for output. You hear pressure in every sound. That's health draining in real time now.
No love, no safe transition. I sprint through pain with repetition. Most flows rest between attacks. I change strikes till the system crack. Fatigue, not a one is fuel. I burn it just to push it through.